So now I will continue with the explanation of the law of variable proportion. We have already stated the law before and we have discussed the assumptions, and we said that here we will try to find out the variation in the output when only labor is changed and labor is applied to given quantity of the fixed factor, that is capital. We also discussed that the law of variable proportion has three stages. Stage 1, stage of increasing return. Stage 2, stage of diminishing return. And stage 3, stage of negative return. Let us now come back to the diagram. In the first panel, we are showing TP, and as I said, up till point M, that is point of inflection, TP increases at an increasing rate, and that is why the TP curve is steep here. Thereafter, the TP curve increases at a decreasing rate. Now the first stage, that is stage of increasing return, will be from point of origin till OL 2 units of labor. That means till here. From here till here is the first stage. So from O to point A is the first stage, that is stage of increasing return, where TP initially increases at an increasing rate till point of inflection. Then between M and A, TP increases at a decreasing rate. So point of inflection is the point where the TP curve changes its slope. And what is the slope of the TP curve? The slope of the TP curve is actually MPY, because MP is equal to del TP by del L. So MP curve is actually the slope of the TP curve. Now what happens during the first stage? During the first stage, as I said, as long as TP increases at an increasing rate, MP is rising. Then MP is maximum at the point of inflection. Beyond point of inflection, TP increases at a decreasing rate. MP curve is falling. Stage 1 begins from the origin and ends at point A. That means the point where AP is maximum. So throughout the first stage, AP is rising and the stage ends when AP curve is maximum and MP is equal to AP. You see at this point A, both MP and the AP curve intersect. So at this point, the stage of increasing return ends and AP is maximum. Now in stage 2. Stage 2 is the stage of diminishing return. So stage 2 begins from this point. So stage 2 starts from the point where AP was maximum. So in the stage 2, this is stage 2. Till here is stage 2. See, till here is stage 2. So here in stage 2, TP continues to increase at a decreasing rate. What is happening to AP and MP? MP is falling. AP is also falling but positive. MP lies below AP. The stage ends when TP is maximum at point T. Now TP is maximum and becomes constant here. The slope is constant. That means here, corresponding to this point L3, you see in this panel, at the point where TP is maximum, MP will become 0. So stage 2 begins from the employment of OL2 units of labor and ends at OL3 units of labor when TP is maximum and MP is 0. AP is also falling, but AP cannot be 0. AP is still positive. Now the third stage, stage of negative return. It starts from the point where TP was maximum. So here is the third stage from here and it continues. This is the third stage where TP starts to fall from the point of its maximum point. AP is still falling but positive, but MP becomes negative. So in the third stage, everything is falling. TP is falling, average product is falling but positive, and MP is going beyond the x-axis, means MP is becoming negative. Now out of these three phases or 3 stages of the law of variable proportion, a rational or a sensible producer will choose to operate at stage 2. Neither at stage 1, because he will not stop at stage 1, because he knows that here TP is still increasing. So since he is rational, he will not stop here. He will continue to produce. Now stage 3 is called the stage of economic nonsense, the stage of economic absurdity. It's very absurd. Why will a rational producer choose stage 3? Here total product is falling, average product is falling, marginal product is becoming negative. So the stage 3 will not be chosen. So by the process of elimination, that means the producer is eliminating stage 1, stage 3. So the remaining stage is stage 2, where the rational producer would like to operate. This is about the law of variable proportion.